A rider moves forward on a white horse, wearing a laurel crown and holding a wand wrapped in another wreath. Around him walk supporters who lift their own wands in salute, while banners wave over a distant city. The Six of Wands is the moment of recognition, victory earned through effort and now honored publicly. The triumphant rider is the central symbol. He sits upright and steady, pride tempered by dignity. His victory is not boastful but grounded. He knows the journey that led here and accepts the praise without arrogance. The white horse beneath him signifies purity of intent, momentum, and the alignment of will and action. Together, they represent mastery that uplifts rather than dominates. The laurel wreaths, the one on his head and the one tied to his wand, form the first supporting symbol. Laurel is the ancient mark of triumph, bestowed upon heroes and poets. Its circular form suggests both accomplishment and the cyclical nature of success. Honors come and go, requiring humility and continued purpose. The wreath sanctifies the wand, transforming raw fire into celebrated achievement. The second supporting symbol is the crowd accompanying him. They walk beside and behind the horse, each holding wands upright. Once potential competitors in the five, they now appear unified. Their presence depicts community, validation, and the shared joy of success. Triumph reaches fullness only when acknowledged by others. The third symbol is the white horse itself. More than a vehicle, it embodies nobility, progress, and clarity. It contrasts with the chaotic ground-level struggle of the five, showing that fire has matured into directed, harmonious motion. The horse represents passion elevated by discipline, energy carrying its rider toward meaningful goals. The fourth supporting symbol is the rider's garments, a red cloak above a green tunic. Red expresses life force and courage. Green signifies growth, renewal, and groundedness. Together, they show fire tempered by maturity into heat of ambition blended with the coolness of stability. The fifth symbol is the faint city and banners in the distance. They signify return, integration, and homecoming after challenge. The city is the community that receives him. The banners signal that his accomplishments will become part of the collective memory. Success becomes meaningful when it strengthens the larger whole. Together, these symbols reveal a unified narrative of triumph. The rider embodies mastery, the wreaths proclaim honor, the horse expresses purity of purpose. The companions show communal recognition, the banners point towards reintegration. Fire that was chaotic has become light that guides. In readings, the Six of Wands heralds success, recognition, progress, and leadership acknowledged. It may reflect public praise, advancement, or the culmination of persistent effort. Its counsel is humility. Carry victory with grace, remembering the community that supports it. Its shadow is over-reliance on praise, mistaking external validation for inner worth.